Unlock profitable commercial investments today. If you want your money to work smarter, not harder, listen up. Commercial investments might just be your next big move. Here's how to get started without the guesswork. So, what exactly is a commercial investment? Think office buildings, retail spaces, warehouses, basically properties people use for business, not living. The big draw? Reliable income streams and long-term growth. But here's the catch. It takes more know-how than buying a house. First, do your homework. Location matters, but so does the type of tenant and lease length. Are you buying a storefront on a busy street, or a warehouse near a major highway? Each has its own risks and rewards. Next, crunch the numbers. What's your expected rental income? What are your expenses, like maintenance, taxes, vacancy costs? A good rule of thumb, aim for a cap rate that makes sense for your market, not just the flashiest return. And don't go it alone. Team up with a commercial real estate agent or a financial advisor who's been there, done that. They'll help you spot red flags and hidden gems. Finally, remember, patience pays off. Commercial investments aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but if you play it smart, they can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. So, ready to make your money go further? Hit subscribe for more tips to boost your investment IQ. Let's get growing.